If you're planning to sleep in your Toyota 4Runner or any other car for that matter during a camping trip or overlanding trip, installing a drawer system, especially after removing the third row seat, is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. This setup maximizes the vehicle's internal space and adds a level of organization that makes life on the road that much more manageable. Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul, and today we are going to take a closer look at my new drawer system that I just installed. First off, let's talk about the space benefits. The third row seats in the 4Runner, while useful for hauling extra passengers, aren't ideal for overlanding, especially since they take up a bit of space. Plus, I really no longer use that third row seat now, as my kids are much older and they normally don't go with us in terms of camping. The third row seat takes up valuable cargo space that could otherwise be used for gears, supplies, or even comfort. Removing these seats instantly frees up a significant amount of space, and this is where the drawer system comes into play. By installing a set of drawer systems in place of the third row seats, you're able to create a dedicated storage area that doesn't just keep your items organized, but also allows for more efficient use of the available space. A drawer system is especially valuable because it allows you to organize all your gears, and when you're on an overlanding trip, having quick and easy access to all your tools, cooking equipment, recovery gears, and other essential is crucial. With a drawer system, you no longer have to dig through piles of equipment, bags, or totes. Everything has its place in the drawer system once it is all organized. For my setup, one side is dedicated to food storage and cooking gears, while the other is for camping gears like chairs and tables and leveling blocks. If you haven't also noticed, I do have a MOLLE rack system installed, which provides an extra shelf for extra storage. If you are interested in that, you can check out the video link above for more information. But the benefits of a drawer system goes beyond just storage. It actually improves the sleeping setup inside the vehicle as well. And one of the challenges of sleeping in a 4Runner is finding a comfortable flat surface to lay down on. The 4Runner with the third row seats provides a flat slope, which is okay to sleep in as long as the rear is elevated with sleeping blocks. However, with a properly installed drawer system, you essentially create a flat platform that extends the rear cargo area, and this platform can double as a sleeping surface, making it easy to throw down a mattress or sleeping pad and settle in for the night while being leveled with the ground. The raised platform not only gives you a flat, comfortable place to sleep, but also frees up space underneath for additional storage. This means you can keep your gear tucked away, yet still have access to it without disturbing your sleeping area. For my case, this is where I store my umbrella and also extra sweaters that I may need, so they all go under that area. This combination of storage and a sleeping platform is incredibly convenient. Whether you're doing a short weekend trip or embarking on a long expedition, you can stay organized, well rested, even if you're sleeping inside your vehicle. For my drawer system, I constructed it to be about 12 inches tall, which adds to the total height when compared to just having the third row seats. However, it does provide ample space within the drawer system, which is what I was after initially. So if you are interested in how this drawer system was constructed, drop it down in the comments section below and I can put a video together detailing the build just in case you want to build one yourself. And if you haven't already seen the video of my last trip where these drawers were put to use, you can check out that video link above as well. One of the bonus regarding a well-designed drawer system is that it will keep your center of gravity lower in terms of the weight on your car. And this is especially important when off-roading or navigating through terrain, as a lower center of gravity improves the vehicle's stability, keeping heavy gear securely stowed in drawers rather than stacked high inside the cargo area or on top of the car. And it just helps overall with handling and giving you more control and confidence in the road. And with that, this is it for the video. Thank you for stopping by and watching to the end. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. Again, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.